Alright everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're tackling a common question: how to give Facebook access to your photos on your iPhone. It's easier than you think, and I'm going to show you 2 simple ways to do it. Method 1, through the app settings. First, let's dive into your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app. Now scroll down, and keep scrolling until you find a section labeled Apps. Tap on that. In this list of apps you want to find your Facebook app and click into that. At the very top, you'll see an option called Photos. Tap on that. Here, you get to choose the level of access. We're going to go with full access for this example. Your iPhone will double check, so go ahead and tap Allow Full Access. Boom! You're all set. Now the next time you're using Facebook and want to grab a photo, it'll be ready to go. Method 2, through Privacy and Security. There's another way to do this too. Head back to Settings. This time, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. Tap on that. Now, scroll down again until you find Photos and tap on it. In the list of apps that are available to access your photo library, find the Facebook app. Choose Full Access. Again, it will ask you to confirm. Tap Allow Full Access, and there you have it. Now when you use Facebook, it'll have full access to your photo library. And that's it. 2 easy ways to give Facebook access to your photos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks from Fix Zone. Thanks for watching.